Forging Friendships Season 2 is sponsored by Iron Mountain Metalcraft, located in the beautiful Pigeon Forge, Tennessee area. Go forge a memory with Forged in Fire fan favorite Robbie Bowman.
Woo!
Season 2 is also sponsored by Oklahoma Knife Group, Black Dragon Forge, Paragon Kilns, Honest Aloe, Jantz, and by viewers like you, link in description.
My name's Katie, and I work in customer service, but I do a lot of what I would think of as kind of behind-the-scenes stuff. I pull in orders from our website and get them printed so we can start processing them. I've been working a lot on getting barcodes implemented for all of our products, and I just handle customer emails. The phone's a big part of it because I answer the first ring when I'm on the phone. And so a lot of people talk to me. I've been working here for about 3 years now. My favorite aspect about my job is kind of a toss-up between getting to talk to the customers. I get to talk to a lot of people from kind of all over the world through email and phone calls. But I also enjoy the family aspect of working here. I'm not a Jantz, but I feel like one when I come to work here. So it's a good place for sure. Another part that I really enjoy about working here is all the flexibility that's offered. I feel like a lot of people, it would be an easy thing to take advantage of, but the way that they treat us, they really make you feel like family. And so you don't want to take advantage of your family members or your friends. So it's easy to be honest when you're working here. It's an honest place with honest people. I don't know if I can talk about it without crying. My husband and I foster a little boy right now, and everyone here has just been so supportive of us going through that process and trying to get through adoption as well. So I'm really fortunate to work in a place that supports me like that.